Gold traded in a narrow range throughout the day. We have seen it hitting the highs at 26.50, 52, and that is a greater resistance zone. We have seen it struggling at around this zone yesterday, and today again 26.50, 52 has provided it a good resistance. While it is silver, which is traded with good enough bullishness, it has hit the highs at 31, and I can see a bit of resilience at around 31. So, what to expect now? Can we expect a reversal from these levels, or we are going to look forward to a breakout about 26.50, 52 for gold and 31.50 for silver? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit today trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the only channel to provide you 2 updates a day. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end, and the next update is going to get released tomorrow with the Asia session. Do watch that as well. Now, first, let's have a look at the charts for gold. You can find out, see, after this drop here, there is a recovery and a retracement. Now it is trading in a narrow zone. You can see yourself 26 30 35 on the downside, 26 50 52 on the upside. Now see, this is forming a sideways trend beyond which it is going to break out soon, and break out either below 26.35 and 26.30 levels is going to bring more bearishness, or about 26.50 52 you should wait for, which will take it towards 26.60 again. Now that is the first part. Now second part here is, if you look at this, this is trading in this moderate retracement channel after this drop here. So it is hitting the lows and right now plays precisely at the median. The moving averages are running parallel without any bearishness. You can see these have rather started to converge, not yet crossed over though. Now let's come to the near term. Near term is today's few hours candle. You can find out, see, higher lows are observed, and you can see consistently higher lows means it is finding a good support here from the downside, and on the upside lower highs. So this is a consolidation zone. Now even if you see it is staying below 26 40 38 levels, or in fact I'll say 26 yes, 26 40 38 should be ideally a good support zone, but I will say it is going to find very very good support very nearby in around 26 35 36 levels itself. That is the first part. If you see the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD under retracement, it is converged but not yet crossed over. Now see, what do we call as retracement? Look at the drop. This is sharp enough. This is a bit gradual rise, and thus here at this point you have to be cautious. It can again turn crossover for sell. RSI running flat here, coming to 2. Similar is the observation on the 2 hour charts, nothing different. See this, and if you look at the momentum here, you will find, see, preceding few candles consistent lower highs, last 2 candles higher lows. Just let it come out. Where you should buy, ideally you should wait for 26.50 52 to be taken. That is going to be a good entry for us, because beyond this you can look forward to 26.60 62 as the first target, and 26 in fact 68.70 should get achieved here. If you look at the stochastic, this is almost flat while the MACD has crossed over. This is trading with moderate divergence, moderate bullishness here. The RSI is running flat, nothing different. And when you see the 3, now on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See, after the drop it is staying in the box here. It has to come out of the box in order to confirm a direction here. If you look at on the downside, these 4 candles, you will find that the base is created, and the base is pretty strong here at around 26 36 levels here, 36 38 levels, and these 2 tails suggest that higher lows are there. This is going to be a stronger zone for gold to break past by. So I will say rather today we have to watch out with caution, because see, it can break either which ways. There is no major news coming in, there is no major data releases from US today, and that is why we can see a bit of a struggle here on the upside and downside both. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate divergence, trading with moderate bullishness, and notice this, greater rise, sharper retracement, then rise, retracement, and now trying to break out. Let's wait for it. RSI flat here on the 4. Similar observation, nothing different here. I will wait for it to break out, because jumping in here with a buy or a sell definitely going to bring a much of panic, as we have hardly seen any movement for last few sessions or last few candles here, and thus I will strictly be in a watchful mode. Yes, it is still staying in this retracement channel after this drop. On the upside, very important for it to break beyond 26.85 2684 zone, which is going to be a good confirmation of a complete reversal. Moving average is almost flat, not indicative much here. Stochastic flat, the MACD flat, the RSI flat, everything is almost flat here, and that is what we can see here in the candles as well. And rather, I will say what it shows in the candles is getting replicated in the indicators, as indicators are always a lagging part. Yes, they do replicate what is uh, already done, and but yes, it gives you a good enough sense that what you can expect, because sometimes, or rather I will say most of the times, the crossover, the oversold or overbought levels give us a fair bit of hint that how the instrument can behave. Now if you look at the daily charts, what is happening, the moving averages are on the verge of a crossover, the 50 and 20 period moving average giving it a pretty good resistance here. Thus, it is also now very, very important for gold to break this zone. And now you can see why this is becoming a greater resistance here. On the downside, also, the median of the Bollinger Band sitting at around 2630 is a very good support. And then look at these two candles, 2620, 22. These two levels have become a greater support level here, or in the support zone here as well. Now look at the daily charts. After this decline, a retracement, couple of bearish candles, it is staying in the channel. I will wait. I think we have to wait for it for tomorrow, and we have to wait where it closes today. That is going to be pretty important, because tomorrow it can break out and can move upside. Right now, it is one thing is clear, that it is trying to trade in this retracement channel. The highs of this channel now at 2680.85, which it needs to break in order to turn further. Stochastic hitting the bottom, trying to bounce back. MACD under retracement, it is still in green, and the RSI flat. So before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold if you see it is staying above 46 levels now, but then you have to exercise extra caution till towards 2652 levels. You have to put 20 pips trailing here, 2648, 50, 52. So you might get just only 20 pips here, where prices can reverse from 2648 or 50 or 52. So if you're buying at 2646, again you have to take extra caution till towards 2652 levels. Beyond this, you can expect 2656, 60, and then beyond 2660, 62 is where we are looking forward to 2668, 70. Breaking beyond 2668, 70, just stay bullish. You can expect it to move towards 2685 levels very, very soon. On the down, I will recommend a selling entry at 2638, but then 2636, 34 is going to be an extremely good support, and thus till 2634 you have to exercise extra caution. Below 2634 is where the bears are waiting. You can expect 2630, 28 as the first target, 2620, 22 as the second target. Any drop below 2620, 22 is the sign of bearishness here, where we can expect further crash towards 2608, 10, 2600, 2602, and if drops below 2600, stay short for 2580 levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to see, silver is following a pattern. If you look at the rise here, the retracement, the rise here, the retracement, it can try to stay in this, and it can try to stay in this channel. Also, if you observe, very good support levels are seen now, first at around 3070, and I will say 3040 levels. This complete zone of 40 cents is a pretty good support, pretty strong support here. And thus, as long as silver stays in this, you have to be careful. In fact, we can initiate a buying entry if you see it. If you see silver finding a good support from 3070, 3060, 3050, 40, any point of time, from these levels, silver can reverse. Thus, you have to be extra cautious in between this. Also, notice rise, retracement, rise. It could retrace, and here, if you see this, the lows here for this channel might be here at around below 30, 40, 30, 20 levels. So I will say silver right now, despite it trading bearish, I will still say that it is under this retracement channel. This is a moderately bullish channel. Now see, after hitting the highs at 3150, it is just trading with swings here, where the lows for this channel are at around 3020, and any drop below 3020, then $30 levels, it is bound to crash more. Right now, I do not see that happening. I can still say that for the day, it might stay in the bullish channel only. Why? See, look at the rise, the consolidation, the breakout here, and now it is trying to retrace. And here also 30, 60, 30, 50, 40, very, very good support will be seen here at around these levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for it to cross over in order to confirm a sell here. This is almost the peak from where it starts the retracement cycle. The RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 2 hour charts, and you see the 2 hour charts, uh, if you divide this into two, it appears it might try to erase the gains from this candle. It can move in fact towards 30 70 60 zone, but I will say it is pretty early to conclude that. I'll still not say that it is turning bearish as long as 30-40 levels are not taken, or in fact the support levels here are far below towards 30, 20, and 30, which will confirm the complete reversal, complete bearishness here in silver. Till then, it is trading in this bullish channel, and as long as it stays in this channel, we have to be careful with the buys and the sells both. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is rising, trying to converge a bit. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 3 hour. Now look at the 3 hour chart. Single bullish candle retracement here. It is definitely going to find support here. And right now it is, despite it is trying to erase some of the gains, I'll say it is not going to turn bearish, or it is not going to completely reverse. The moving average is crossing over here at around 30-50, making it a very, very good support. And thus on the downside, you have to be very, very careful. As long as 30-40 is not taken below this, we can expect further drop towards 30-20, and below 30-20 is where the bears are waiting. I see that it might retrace, but it is definitely going to find very, very good support here at 30-60, 30-40 zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 4 hour charts, what's happening on the 4 hour charts? Series of bullish candles, now consolidation, and it is now trying to reverse. It can potentially find the support at around 30-70 and bounce back. This is one thing you should always watch out for here in silver. And if you look at, see what is happening, the drop, the retracement, a v-shaped recovery, then higher lows and higher highs. So it is trying to form a nice flag here, where the lows for this could be at around 30-40 levels, and below that 30-20 levels. A breakout below 30 is the sign of reversal, sign of a crash. And also, if you notice, look at these two lows here. A double bottom is created, and divide this into two. What you can see here is that it's potentially looking forward to 31.50 or $32 levels very, very soon. So if you see it breaking beyond 31.25 and 31.50 levels, stay bullish. We are looking at $32 levels very, very soon. If not today, then tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then any point of time this week. Beyond 31.50, we are looking forward to a very good rise. Moving averages have started to converge, on the verge of a crossover. This the stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI comfortable here. Coming to the daily. Now when you see the daily charts here, see, first of all, the crossover in the moving averages. Second, the moving averages are trading bearish, trading with divergence. Third, here is the support it has created till towards 30 is very, very strong. Now what's happening after the drop? It is under retracement here, and thus it is very, very important for it to break beyond 31.50, which is the only confirmation of reversal here. As long as silver stays below 31.50, we have to be extremely cautious here with the sells, buys. Stochastic rising. Now see why it could rise. Look at the MACD. It has dropped here. Now it has consolidated, now crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. Good sign for the bulls here, because see, this crossover has come at a pretty lower levels, and thus this increases the chances of reversal. RSI rising. So looking at, I will recommend you to buy silver if you see it is staying above 31.05. Expect 31.2025 as the first target, 31.40, 31.50 at the next. If at any point of time silver trades above 31.50, stay bullish for $32 levels very, very soon. That is going to be the next target, and then 32.50 is also achievable here. If not today, then whenever it breaks the second trading session, it might hit 32.50 or in fact 33 as well. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 30.70 levels, but strictly you have to trail your stop losses with just 10 cents, because 30.60, 30.50, 40, 30.20 till 30.20 levels, it is going to find extremely strong support here on the downside. Below 30.20 is where $30 levels will come into picture, and below 30, we have seen it getting support at 29.70, 60 zone, the next target. Below this, you can just stay short. It is bound to crash more towards 29.20 and $29 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Euro special. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.